Department of Trade and Industry Secretary Ramon Lopez has tested positive for COVID-19. Lopez is asymptomatic, but he opted to go on full isolation. While in quarantine, the trade chief continued to work. He virtually attended a committee hearing of the House of Representatives. Lopez was also virtually present at the Malacañang media briefing of the Economic Development Cluster. The Trade Secretary is not the first cabinet official who got infected with the virus. Education Secretary Leonor Briones, Public Works Secretary Mark Villar, and Interior Secretary Eduardo Año also tested positive for COVID-19 but have all recovered from the virus.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.